Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kajing Menteri Kami ke skim Intensified Mission Indradhanush hakari India barokaway kalakanjo sakalais nem kenti kata nadu bala Menteri Kam haka arpsan terek unok pra jong usnam araja khatsa. Kani ke projek jong katnat ke koi kekhia jong ke sarkar pleng ke bala Menteri Kam lengba ke National Health Mission ban ai injek yaki kena ki badang hapo arsnem karta banyada ne ki jingpang baper kumjo yaki long kami ki barman hakani ke jela jongiru kalaya sasat kamtam sikithai nong kandong ya kani ke jing ai injek lengba ke Intensified Mission Indradhanush hakani ke jela andang beteng nadu benai kelalengkot jong usnam thamai banwan dang nen ke sngi ke arp khandai terek unok pra ke kenhon jong ke National Health Mission Meghalaya hakajing kendo bat kinong patai kubor kila pen bana biang yakni kajing ayan jek yaki kerlong badang hapo asnam karta bat jikilong kemi kiba arman lengba ka Intensified Mission Indradhanush kibala batha ru yaki paiba banwan chakman ban ai kini ki injection
which cannot be cured. The State Health Department and National Health Mission Meghalaya request all parents of children below 2 years of age and pregnant women who are unvaccinated or partially vaccinated to come forward and avail of these services specially provided for them. These are made available free of cost by the government under all public health facilities and health centers. In this regard, the government is now going to conduct a fourth and last round of Intensified Mission Indradhanush from 8 January 2018, which would be held for 7 working days at selected and designated immunization session sites. This special session would be conducted in the district of East Jodha Hills, East Khasi Hills, North Kara Hills, Southwest Kara Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, West Jodha Hills, West Kara Hills, and in northern areas of West Khasi Hills. Let us all join hands to ensure timely vaccination for our little children and pregnant women to ensure a healthy and disease-free future for them. I request all parents and guardians to join hands to build a healthy and stronger Meghalaya in the future.